Hey everyone, I'm going to show a quick tutorial of how to create an email signature, just like the one that I have here. This is Mr. Ferrer's email signature, and the objective is after this quick tutorial, everyone in internship class will have their own designated email signature so that your email has a nice professional touch to it. So I'm going to walk through the process. If you right click and click on new email message, you'll theoretically get a blank email. I have mine already created with the signature, so just disregard that. Go up to the signature section icon, click on it, go to signatures, very important, click on new. For the intention of this, I'm going to pick one of my students last year who provided our lovely exemplar. Her name was Shannon Ho. I'm going to click OK. On the document that has two options, you could either select Shannon's amazing email signature, or you could click mine. So I'm going to copy Shannon's, right? Paste it onto the body here. And obviously, you're going to delete her signature because that's not yours. Let's just put my name just as an example. And since this is the class of 2022, make sure you change that. All right. And then email address, because that is going to be specific to you. You're going to click on that. Most important step, click save once you are done entering your name and email address. Under new message, you're going to click on your name. So obviously mine was Shannon for this example, and then you're going to click OK. That is a quick tutorial of how to run through how to create your own email signature. Any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.